What's good, everybody? It's your boy Bino here, and today I'm bringing you guys another unboxing and another shoe that I don't know what's inside of it from a different plug. Yes, I am wearing a Dragon Ball Z t-shirt with all your favorite characters from the 90s. So yeah, I'm a throwback kid anyway, so but other than that, let's get to this unboxing and see what we got. Also, go ahead, subscribe down to my channel if you're new. If you're not new, just make sure to comment, like, and share. Simple as that. Also follow me on Instagram too. My Instagram is Bino_1999EST. And my TikTok, I can't say yet, but I'll make sure to put it in the description down below too, because sometimes I'll be forgetting. But you know, it's part of human error. But enough said than that. Let's get to this unboxing, shall we? So now, we got another unbox right here from Nike. It is, what is that? Nike Dunk Lows, as y'all can see. Throwback, QR code, don't worry about it. Please don't scan it either, because it's just gonna take you straight to the Nike website. But how y'all feel about this box? Can y'all guess what's inside this box really? Before we look into this shoe. It's probably an old Nike, a new Nike. I don't know. It could be a new Nike. I just don't know for sure. But all I know is that it could be one of them. So let's look at this. Gosh. Yo, this is crazy. What? Like, y'all are sending me throwbacks? Like, plug, what's up with y'all? Like, damn, man. I have not seen these shoes in a long time. A long ass time, man. That's just crazy. We got the Supreme Dunks, and this is the original Supreme Dunk. Not the new one with the stars and shit, but this one with the star, with the single star, and it has that Supreme Dunk on that one. Like, look at this. It kind of reminds me of my Jewel Air Max 1s that I got when I was in high school. That's the only pair that I got that was a Jewel shoe. But this shoe right here, let me set this down. Let me set this down right here. This shoe itself is so iconic that it even has the Supreme insole along with the Nike symbol down below. And this shoe is so rare. I think it goes for a lot. I think it goes for a lot on StockX. I don't know. I might have to conclude that as well too. But it's just like nobody has this in their collection. Like, it's hard to get. It's hard to even find them possibly in your size, depending on what shoe size you wear. And on top of that, it's just like it's Nike Supreme Dunk. Gold and blue. Kind of reminds me of that superhero that on DC Comics that has the same type of color costume as well. I don't know his name. I barely watch DC. I'm more of a Marvel person. But yeah, this shoe itself is just crazy. You got the metallic gold along with the navy blue with the navy color as well. You got the tongue, the puffy tongue as well, as you can see. And on the back of it, you got that chair. And yeah, and it also has that Jewel Nike symbol, that Jewel Nike swoosh right here. And no, you can't play with this. This is just stuck there. And I'll do symbol right here as well. Now this is a classic right here. For those of you who do not know that Supreme, instead of before they was putting stars on all this shit, they had one star right here to solidify that. Supreme collabed with Nike a bunch of times, a bunch of them. But for me to have a pair of Supreme Dunks, it's just crazy now. Like, I just can't believe I have them in my hands, honestly, and I'm just happy to have them because this is a classic shoe. Like, yo, this is a classic shoe to have, honestly. And let me pull out the other pair. Has the other part as well too. Same design, same interior, different interior in the insole. Now look at this, Supreme, as y'all can see, even though I reversed it, but yeah. It has Supreme on that side and on this side as well. But to rate these shoes, you know what? I ain't gonna rate these because these shoes can speak for themselves. Like, they go for a lot. It's hard to cop them now. It's hard to cop them depending on where you can find them at. Before you could find them on GOAT, but it was like crazy. Like, I don't see anybody have these on their feet. If you do know someone that has these on their feet, let me know so we can see. All right? I don't care if they're, you know, retail or from somewhere else. shoe's a shoe. Don't be hating, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, Supreme Dunks are smooth. Also has that gold bottom as well. Shout out to them for sending me this beautiful Supreme Dunks, you know? But other than that, let me know what y'all think of these, really. I hope y'all might like them. Some might like them, some might not like them, but it's up to y'all how y'all wear them. But now, let's get to this OnFoot review. Let's go.